recording it. Okay, so we have to implement C program for binary search. Okay, so as you know, the first header file will be stdio.h, that is standard input output, and my second header file will be hash include conio.h, that is console input output.h, right? Now in the first step, what you have to do, you have to accept elements in array. So like in the linear search we do, first we will ask the size of array, how many numbers you want, and for that numbers, for that size, we will accept the numbers. Okay, so I will not repeating that step because these steps are common for all the program. So here I will declare one array, let's say data with capacity 100. Then I will take another variable that is nothing but I, that is required in for loop, and third variable is size, that how many numbers you want. Okay, so what will be my first statement? Printf enter how many numbers you want. Okay, so he will say I want 5 numbers, 10 numbers, 20 numbers. So I will accept that in scanf. So in scanf %d, and that value will be saved in a variable size. Okay, now after that I have to accept this number. So I will use for loop. So for I equal to 0, because first number will go to 0th index location, I less than equal to size minus 1, I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus. So here I will say printf, देखो ये स्टेप्स कॉमन है हर प्रोग्राम के लिए, एंटर %d number, okay, colon, and what is %d? That is nothing but I plus 1, right? And here I will accept the number by using scanf. So our step 1 will get complete, that is to accept numbers in array. So %d, and here I will write and data of I. So first number will go to data of 0, second number will go to data of 1. Like this it will happen. Okay, so first we will execute this program. That means step 1 will get completed successfully. So I will run the program. It's very good, doesn't have any errors. So enter how many numbers you want. Let's say I want 4 numbers. So enter one number. So let's say 10. Enter 2 number. Let's say 20, 30, 40. So 4 numbers and program complete. So it works very good. So our step 1 get complete. Here only I will make one change, enter number and then %d. So it will works good. Okay. Up to this, no doubt. Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So our step 1 get complete. Now what is step 2 is that let's ask which number you have to search. So printf enter the number you want to search. Enter the number you want to search. So let's say that number will be saved in a variable x, that is a capital X. Okay.
Sir,
So yes.
you did not terminate printf.
Okay. Okay, so I terminate this and then I will go to scanf. Okay, so in the scanf I will accept that number that user want to search. So %d, and here I will write and cx. Okay, capital X. So the number I have to search is available in the variable capital X. Now next thing is what? I need to find out mid location. So I require 3 variables. Which are the 3 variables? Mid, low and high, right? 3 variables I require, mid, low and high. Now initially, let's say value of mid is 0 in order to do initialization, and value of low is also 0. As usual, we know that value of low is 0. Now what we will do, here I will say low is equal to 0, right? And high is equal to, now what is the formula for high? Last index location. Now how many numbers you want? So let's say I want 4 numbers. So what will be the index location? 0, 1, 2, 3. That means 4 minus 1. So what is the value of high in this case? Size minus 1 directly, right? If you want 10 numbers, then value of low will be 0 and value of high will be 9. So in that way, we can calculate the high at initial level. That is, high is equal to size minus 1. So I calculate low also, I calculate high also. Now you have to calculate mid location. But in order to calculate mid location, you have to calculate again and again, right? So calculation of mid will done inside a while loop. जो आपको मिड लोकेशन फाइंड आउट करनी होती है, ये आपको बार बार करना होता है. तो हम ये फॉर लूप के बाहर नहीं लिखेंगे, फॉर लूप या while लूप के अंदर लिखेंगे. सो आई विल राइट while means you have to do the task up to value of low is less than equal to high. It means until value of low is less than equal to high, do the task which is provided in the curly braces. So here first I will do mid is equal to low plus high divide by 2. So that is my first stage. सबको समझ में आया? ये मैंने while loop के अंदर क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि अगर फर्स्ट इसमें नंबर नहीं मिलता है, तो अगर while loop के अंदर नहीं लिखा तो मिड कैलकुलेट ही नहीं होगा या अपडेट ही नहीं होगा लो और हाई की वैल्यू. So that's why I am writing inside the while, and in while I am writing this condition कि mid location आपको कब तक निकालना है. तो जब तक लो की वैल्यू हाई से कम है या इक्वल टू हाई है. तो जब लो की वैल्यू हाई से ज़्यादा हो जाएगी तो हम इस लूप के बाहर आ जाएंगे. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स से हाउ इट विल वर्क. सो हियर what I will do, I will also use one variable, and that is nothing but flag. ठीक है. Flag equal to 0, right? So here what I will do, after calculation of mid, we will have our conditions. So if okay, अब देखो यहाँ पे और एक प्रॉब्लम आएगा. ठीक है. प्रॉब्लम क्या आएगा? तो आपको यहाँ पे फॉर लूप यूज करना पड़ेगा. सो आई विल यूज फॉर लूप because you have to search every element of array. Okay, so for I equal to 0, no need of for loop actually. Okay, here what I will do, if capital X equal to data of mid. ठीक है. मतलब मिड लोकेशन पे जो भी वैल्यू है वो, और अगर जिसको सर्च करना है सेम है. So if both are same, then what I will do, I will say here flag is equal to 1. Okay, flag is equal to 1. मतलब flag की वैल्यू 0 थी, तो अब वो कितनी बन जाएगी? कितनी बन जाएगी? वो flag की वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी. ठीक है. Then I will write else if. So if both are not same, so if x is greater than data of mid, अगर x की वैल्यू ज़्यादा है जिसको सर्च करना है उससे, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? कौन बताएगा? ज़्यादा होगा तो anyone? What I will write here?
Mid minus sorry.
अगर ज़्यादा है मतलब क्या? मिड प्लस 1, राइट? और मिड प्लस 1 हम किसको करते हैं? लो को, राइट? So that will be the step here. And in the else part, no need to mention any condition. Here it will be high is equal to mid minus 1, right? क्योंकि आपको if else का सिंटैक्स पता है, तो if else का सिंटैक्स अगर आपको पता है तो आपको ये मालूम होगा कि यहाँ पे अगर सेम भी नहीं है, अगर ज़्यादा भी नहीं है तो ऑब्वियसली कम होने वाला है, सो इट विल बी हाई इक्वल टू मिड माइनस वन, राइट? सो हियर your else get complete, right? Here your while get complete, and after that अगर आपको नंबर मिलता है तो फ्लैग की वैल्यू 1 हो जाती है, राइट? एंड अगर नंबर नहीं मिलता है तो फ्लैग की वैल्यू कितनी रहने वाली है? 0 ही रहने वाली है, राइट? नाउ व्हाट इज द केस, अगर यहाँ पे नंबर मिल भी जाता है तो फिर से वो लूप के पास जाएगा, फिर से मिड कैलकुलेट करेगा। तो यहाँ पे मुझे क्या करना है कि जैसे ही नंबर मिल जाता है, यार आगे का कुछ भी कंपैरिजन या आगे का कुछ भी लूप चलना नहीं चाहिए। सो हियर आई विल राइट ब्रेक कीवर्ड। सो आफ्टर राइटिंग ए ब्रेक कीवर्ड, loop will not get repeat. Okay, so after completion of this, here only I can write if here I can say flag, if flag equal to 1, then printf %d is found at %d location. देखो अभी मुझे लोकेशन भी चाहिए, so what is %d? That is nothing but capital X. Now how to find out the location, right? So here only you can take a variable, let's say LOC, initial value is 0, and once you got the number you want, so you can say LOC is equal to mid, so that mid location get copied into LOC variable, right? And here only I can say X comma LOC, right? And if the value is not get, or if the value of flag is not become 1, then I can say else printf %d not found, right?
सर
And here
मिड
it
प्लस
will
वन
be,
येईल ना?
एक minute, %d not found, and here I will write X, right? हाँ अभी बोलो।
सर लोकेशन मिड प्लस वन येईल ना, कारण की ते 0 पासून स्टार्ट होतं म्हणून
See,
एक वाढवा.
if you want to do location from 1, if you are thinking like that, then you can give mid plus 1. Right now I am thinking that location is from 0. So it's on your observation and your understanding that from where you keeping or where you observing the index location. If you are thinking that
Sir,
you
from the
have to
point
take
of view
the
of user,
you have to take the location from 1, count as a 1, then here you can go for mid plus 1 also. Okay,
सर कारण की आता प्रोग्रामर साठी ते 0 पासून स्टार्ट
right,
होईल,
right,
पण
right.
एखाद्या
For
युजर साठी
programmer point of view, it's from 0. From user point of view, it starts with 1. So we will write mid plus 1 definitely. Okay, so if you are writing mid also, then it also get correct. Okay, you cannot say that it is also incorrect, because we are writing a C program, right? So in this way it will work. Okay, we have to check it's work properly or not. So I am going to execute the
Sir,
program. Some errors are there, that
Sir,
okay, one error is
printf.
there, something semicolon is required, where? Here. Okay, again I am going to execute. Still there is an error, some opening and closing braces are there, I think. Okay, one is extra. Again I am going to execute. Now it's work fine. Let's say enters how many numbers you want. Let's say 5 numbers. So enter number 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? So keep it in mind, you have to enter the number in ascending order or descending order. Okay, in this case we are using ascending order. If you mix the numbers, then program will not work. Now enter the number you want to search. So let's say I want to search 30. So it say 30 is found at 3 location. Clear? So we are keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why it is saying at location 3. Okay, again I am going to execute a program for number not found. So I want 5 numbers. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So enter the number you want to search. Let's say 99. So it says 99 not found. So that means our program is correct. Okay. So very simple technique is there, that you have to calculate mid inside while. Once you got the element, then use break keyword. Otherwise, unnecessary comparison will be there, or it might go to infinite loop. Okay, so these 2 or 3 points are very crucial while writing binary search program. Okay, see, in 10 to 15 minutes, it gets complete. Okay, so if you know the logic, then you can easily implement the program. Getting everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Students, I don't know how many students are there. 45 students. बाकी लोगों
Yes,
को
sir.
समझ में आया ये प्रोग्राम?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
हाँ, लॉजिक के हिसाब से चला हूँ मैं, बाकी कुछ नहीं किया है. सिर्फ एक दो कंसेप्ट मैंने यूज किए, LOC, फ्लैग एंड ब्रेक कीवर्ड. ओके, ब्रेक कीवर्ड इसलिए किया कि एक बार एलिमेंट मिलने के बाद में लो मिड ये कुछ चेक मत करो, क्योंकि अगर मैंने यहाँ पे ब्रेक नहीं लिखा होता तो फिर से उसने मिड का कैलकुलेशन चालू कर दिया होता था. ठीक है. और दूसरा मैंने इसलिए फ्लैग की वैल्यू ली कि एलिमेंट फाउंड हुआ ये तो पता चल जाएगा, ठीक है, लेकिन फाउंड नहीं हुआ ये मुझे पता नहीं चलता था अगर मैं फ्लैग नहीं यूज करता था तो. So that's why I am using this concepts in binary search program. ठीक है, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
किसी को डाउट होगा तो पूछो, ऐसे ही क्यों किया, वैसे ही क्यों किया, ऐसे कर सकते थे क्या, या कोई दूसरा सोल्यूशन इसके लिए आप बता सकते हो क्या बाइनरी सर्च के लिए? यू कैन आस्क. कैन एनीवन आस्क क्वेश्चन? नो वन. चलिए अभी हम यहाँ पे एक ट्विस्ट करते हैं. नाउ वी आर राइटिंग ए नंबर्स in descending order. Okay, and let's check it works or not. So here I am going to execute a program, and executing a program, let's say I want a 5 numbers. So I am entering a number 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Okay, and enter the number you want to search. So let's say I want to search 20. What it say? 20 not found. It means the logic that we applied is totally incorrect if we are writing a number in descending order. So what changes I have to do in this program? Can anybody tell? For descending order,
Sir, instead of plus, put minus there.
here in this part,
Yes, sir.
sure, keep a picture in front of you with 5 numbers 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Let's imagine you have to search 20. So if calculate the mid and then think what will come inside this. हर स्टूडेंट सामने 5 नंबर देखो, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. और अगर मुझे वहां पे 20 निकालना है तो टेक्निक के हिसाब से क्या चेंजेस यहाँ पे करने पड़ेंगे, तो ये सोचो. क्या चेंजेस आएंगे? एनीवन? अरे वाइल्ड लूप में घूम गए क्या? अगर मिड लोकेशन से नंबर ज्यादा होगा तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? all the students left the meeting? No, na?
Sir, high will be mid plus 1.
Here, okay, mid plus 1, and here low is equal to,
Mid minus 1.
okay, let's check. Let's check. It's not like corona vaccine. We can check in multiple ways. So 5 numbers, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. Okay. So I want to search 20. So it says, oh, it's go to infinite loop. It goes to infinite loop. It is asking me too many numbers. Why? I don't know. Why this thing is happening?
Sir,
Hmm?
sir, we can change, means we can keep the if condition same, but we can change high and mid position.
So that's why I'm asking. Just a minute, because I want to stop. Okay. So it not works. Okay. क्या बोल रहे हो आप? बोलो.
सर यहाँ पे लो लिखा है ना, तो लो की जगह जो हाई का है ना, हाई इक्वल टू मिड प्लस 1 लिख देंगे उधर.
अच्छा अच्छा, मतलब देखो प्रोग्राम वैसे ही होगा,
नहीं हुआ.
राइट? सिर्फ हाई की जगह लो लिखेंगे और लो की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? हाई लिखेंगे. सो हियर आई विल राइट हाई and here I will write low. Rest of the program will be same. Okay.
सर साइन भी.
Which one?
सर मिड माइनस 1 और नीचे मिड प्लस 1.
अच्छा, यहाँ भी चेंज करना है.
हाँ,
mid minus
हाँ,
1 and here mid plus 1.
1.
ओके. पूरा हमने इनवर्स ही कर दिया. चलिए देखते हैं, रन करके देखना पड़ेगा. Why the output window is not there? Just a minute. आउटपुट विंडो कहीं तो भी इसकी चली गई. 1-2 मिनट. आई जस्ट कॉपी द प्रोग्राम, क्योंकि फिर से नहीं लिखूंगा. एंड आई विल हैव reload. Okay. And then here only I can paste. Okay, I will run the program as per your changes. Enter how many numbers you want. 5, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Enter the number you want to search. Let's say 20. 20 is found at 4 location. Very good. फिर से हम चेक करते हैं नॉट फाउंड के लिए. ठीक है. So again I am going to execute a program. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's say I want to search 10. So it say 10 not found. Okay, so it works perfectly. So everybody get this logic कि जहाँ पे लो लिखा है वहाँ पे हाई होगा, जहाँ पे हाई लिखा है वहाँ पे लो होगा, जहाँ पे प्लस लिखा है वहाँ पे माइनस होगा, जहाँ पे माइनस लिखा है वहाँ पे प्लस होगा. क्लियर? तो अगर असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में एलिमेंट्स है तो लॉजिक अलग है. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर का ध्यान में रखो. डिसेंडिंग में खाली आपको थोड़े चेंजेस करने हैं. सो फॉर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर द लॉजिक इज डिफरेंट. ओके. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट योर binary search practical if it is coming in practical examination or if it is asked in a theory examination. So you can write a program in this manner. Clear? किसी को कुछ doubt?
Sir, or instead of doing this, we can take a normal input and then arrange the numbers in ascending in the program itself.
See, you still you don't know how to sort a numbers, right? And if they are saying we want a descending order only, okay, they are saying that we want a logic for descending order. So you must know that particular thing. Instead of applying sorting technique in ascending order, it will increase your time complexity. Okay. So that's why I am saying you must know the technique for ascending order also. You must know the technique of descending order also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is also one solution, but it is a something lengthy solution is there. Okay, any other student having any doubt? No doubt, sure. Okay, is anyone is doing a C program on mobile?
Sir, I am doing.
कोई मोबाइल पे सी प्रोग्राम करता है क्या?
Yes.
Yes.